Losing muscle after 60 is something many people face. It's not unusual, and it's not your fault. But there are small, natural changes you can make at home that can make a big difference. As we age, our bodies go through a process called sarcopenia, which simply means a natural loss of muscle. It starts slowly. You might notice stairs feel harder to climb, or grocery bags feel heavier than before. But this isn't just about strength. It's about staying active, confident, and independent. It's about doing the things you love without worrying about falling behind. Here's the good news. You don't need expensive treatments or tough workouts. Some of the best tools to keep your muscles strong might already be in your kitchen. In today's video, we'll look at 3 natural powders that help rebuild muscle, ease inflammation, support recovery, all backed by science. And if you've been eating right and staying active but still feel stuck, this could be the missing piece. So let's get started. 1. Whey protein powder. Let's begin with a well-known but often misunderstood powder. Whey protein. You might think of it as something only young athletes use at the gym, but that's not true. In fact, whey protein can be a powerful tool for adults over 60 to support healthy muscles. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using the protein we eat. So even if you're eating enough food, your muscles may still not be getting the building blocks they need. That's where whey protein comes in. Whey is called a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. It's especially rich in leucine, which plays a major role in muscle repair and growth. Think of leucine like the nails in a house. You can't build or fix anything without them. Whey gives your body what it needs to rebuild muscle quickly and effectively. The best part? You don't need a gym membership or heavy weights. Even a simple walk, some gentle stretching, or a few resistance band exercises at home can activate your muscles. And when you follow that movement with a scoop of whey protein, that's when your body gets the message to repair and grow. Timing matters too. Experts recommend taking whey protein within 30 to 60 minutes after activity. That's when your muscles are ready to absorb the nutrients and rebuild stronger. Many seniors drink a whey protein shake in the morning, even on rest days, because consistency adds up over time. It helps maintain strength, improve balance, support stamina. How to choose the right whey protein. Look for a clean, high-quality product. Ideally, whey isolate or grass-fed whey concentrate. 20 grams of protein per serving. No artificial sweeteners or hard-to-pronounce ingredients. Your body deserves the best. Keep it simple and clean. How to use it. Whey protein is easy and tasty to add to your day. You can mix it with cold water or almond milk. Blend it into a smoothie with banana, berries, and spinach. Stir it into oatmeal for a filling breakfast. Not only do you get protein, you also get fiber, antioxidants, and energy to fuel your day. Extra benefits of whey protein. It's not just for muscles. Whey protein also supports your immune system, keeps you full so you snack less, stabilizes blood sugar, improves energy levels. Studies show that older adults who use whey protein regularly gain more muscle mass, better strength, higher energy levels, especially those who don't get enough protein from food alone. If you've been feeling a little weaker, or if you simply want to stay independent and active as you age, whey protein may be the missing link. And remember, this isn't about becoming a bodybuilder. It's about keeping your legs strong enough for stairs, your arms strong enough for shopping bags, your heart and muscles strong enough to enjoy life fully. Getting older doesn't mean giving up what you love. It just means giving your body the right kind of support to keep going strong. Let's talk about something that doesn't get enough credit when it comes to staying strong as we age: collagen peptides. Most people hear collagen and think of skin creams or beauty products. But collagen is so much more than that. It's actually one of the most important proteins in your body, the glue that holds your joints, bones, ligaments, and muscles together. And here's something you should know. As we get older, we naturally produce less collagen. This slow decline usually starts in our mid-20s, but by the time we hit 50 or 60, the effects become much more noticeable. You may start to feel stiff in your knees when you wake up. Maybe your hips feel sore after a short walk, or it could be your balance isn't what it used to be. Even getting up from a chair might feel more difficult than before. These aren't just signs of muscle loss. They're often signs of collagen loss. That's because your muscles don't work alone. They rely on strong connective tissue, tendons, ligaments, and support structures to function properly. And that's where collagen peptides can help. What are collagen peptides? Collagen peptides are a special form of collagen that's been broken down into tiny pieces so your body can absorb it more easily. They're rich in the amino acids, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the exact building blocks your body needs to repair joints and tissues. Think of it like reinforcing the beams in a house. You're not just fixing what's broken, you're making the whole structure stronger. That's why so many seniors who add collagen peptides to their routine say things like, "I can stand up without using the armrest now. I've been walking longer without joint pain." It's not a miracle, it's simply giving your body what it needs to do its job better. How to take it? The best part? It's really easy to use. Collagen peptides are usually flavorless and odorless. You can stir a scoop into your morning coffee, blend it into a smoothie, mix it into soup or oatmeal. There's no strong taste and no complicated prep. How much and how often? For best results, aim for 10 to 20 grams per day, depending on your needs. And just like with any healthy habit, consistency matters. Taking it once or twice won't make a difference, but using it daily for several weeks can lead to noticeable improvements in how you move and feel. And collagen doesn't just help muscles and joints. It also reduces joint pain, supports bone health, improves skin elasticity and hydration. So you may start feeling better and looking a bit more refreshed, too. What to look for? When shopping for a collagen powder, go for high-quality sources, such as grass-fed, pasture-raised bovine collagen, wild-caught marine collagen. Also, check the label. The best products are simple and clean, without unnecessary fillers. Bonus tip: take your collagen with vitamin C, either as a supplement or with orange juice. Vitamin C helps your body absorb collagen more effectively. If you're already taking calcium or magnesium, you can take them together with collagen for added joint and bone support. Why it matters? If you've been skipping activity because of joint discomfort or the fear of injury, collagen could be the missing piece. Many seniors give up walking, gardening, stretching, or dancing, not because they want to, but because their body just doesn't feel reliable anymore. But getting older doesn't mean you have to give up movement. It just means your body might need a little extra support. Collagen peptides help rebuild the internal scaffolding that keeps your muscles and joints moving easily, without pills, prescriptions, or hard workouts. Collagen equals confidence. Taking care of your muscles after 60 isn't just about protein shakes or lifting weights. It's also about protecting the connective tissues that make movement possible. Collagen gives your body the raw materials to stay strong, flexible, balanced, and honestly, that means one thing: freedom. Freedom to walk with confidence, to play with your grandkids, to travel, to enjoy your hobbies, or to just feel good getting up in the morning. Aging doesn't mean getting weaker. It means getting smarter about what your body needs and giving it the tools to thrive. If this is helpful so far, be sure to subscribe to Healthy Front so you don't miss more tips like this one. And if you have questions or want to share your experience, drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. 3. Spirulina powder, the underrated superfood. Now let's talk about a deep green powder that doesn't get enough attention: spirulina. This blue-green algae has been around for centuries, but it's only recently gained popularity for its incredible nutrient profile, especially for adults over 60. Spirulina may look strange, but it's one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. Why it's great for seniors? It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle. That's a big deal, especially if you don't eat a lot of meat, or if heavy meals are hard to digest. For seniors who are vegan, vegetarian, or simply prefer lighter eating, spirulina is an easy way to get more protein without cooking a big meal. But it gets even better. Spirulina is rich in iron, which supports energy and oxygen flow, magnesium for muscle relaxation and nerve function, potassium and calcium for fluid balance and strong bones, B vitamins, which help convert food into energy. If you've ever felt tired after light activity, weak when climbing stairs, winded too quickly, low iron might be the reason. And spirulina provides a gentle, natural form of iron that's easier to digest than pills and doesn't cause constipation. Spirulina and inflammation. One of spirulina's greatest strengths is its antioxidant power, especially from a compound called phycoquinone, the pigment that gives spirulina its blue-green color. This antioxidant fights inflammation, supports muscle recovery, protects your cells from age-related damage. It also helps reduce the soreness you might feel after walking, stretching, or gardening. That means faster recovery and less pain. Spirulina improves circulation too. Spirulina increases nitric oxide, which helps widen blood vessels, boost circulation, deliver oxygen to your muscles more efficiently. Better blood flow equals more energy, less fatigue, and healthier muscle function. How to use spirulina? It comes in powder or tablet form. The powder has a strong, earthy taste. So start small, just half a teaspoon a day. Mix it into orange juice or smoothies with lemon and ginger to balance the flavor. You can also stir it into salad dressings, soups, or sauces. If the taste doesn't work for you, go for the tablets. They're easy to take and tasteless. Tips for buying spirulina. Because spirulina grows in water, it's important to choose high-quality, third-party tested products. Look for organic certification, clear labeling of where it's grown, ideally in Hawaii, California, or clean facilities. No added fillers, metals, or toxins. Spirulina equals strength plus clarity. Adding spirulina to your day gives you gentle detox support, natural protein, a powerful anti-inflammatory, more stamina, and better immune function. It's like giving your body a natural multivitamin and muscle support powder all in one. Even if you only add half a teaspoon a day, it can help you feel less sore, more energized, and more capable. And that adds up over time. So let's bring it all together. If you're over 60 and feeling like your strength is slipping, there's hope. Your muscles are still capable of healing, growing, and thriving. All it takes is a little support and a few smart habits. The 3 powders we've talked about today: whey protein, collagen peptides, spirulina, aren't magic, but they are powerful, natural, and proven. And they're easy to use. Just add 1 scoop to your morning and build from there. You don't need to be perfect. Just start. Your body will notice, and thank you. If this video gave you something helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to Healthy Front for more tips made for your journey. And let us know in the comments, which one will you try first? Stay strong, stay curious, and see you in the next video.